In this training PowerPoint, Z-Wave devices, we will guide you through the operation of your Z-Wave devices. First, a note. In these presentations, we are using the laptop computer to navigate the program. You can use the iPad or the iPhone also. The view will be different, but all information is available to you. This is a view of the customer portal on an iPhone. Viewing with the iPhone gives you a different screen than the laptop, but all the information is the same. And you can work with all areas of your Helix security and automation system using the iPhone. On the main menu, under Home Control, you have Device Control and Device Settings. This is the area that controls your Z-Wave devices, your lights, your locks, your temperature controls, garage door opener, and all of your Z-Wave devices. Also under Home Control, you can create scenes and do event schedules. Now you need to see Technical Document under the Technical Document icon to explain scenes to you. Now under Home Control, when we click on Device Control, the screen that comes up shows you your devices. Now highlighted there, you'll see all devices. This would give you a list of all your devices. In this example, there are none. Now this is an example of another system that has 3 Z-Wave devices. They have a ZDP light module, which is a socket to plug your lamps into. They have a lamp 1, which is actually a LED light bulb that's Z-Wave controlled. And they have a main thermostat, which they can also control. Now the technical manuals for these Z-Wave devices are located at Technical Documents icon. This example shows 2 Z-Wave devices. Now notice I have highlighted lights, so it's just showing me the lights that I have in my Z-Wave area. Earlier we were on all devices, which included other items. So you can select your garage door opener, your locks for your home, your climate control, your appliances and energy and others, and we're looking here at lights. Again, the technical documents are available to you on these items. Here we have the addition of a front door lock. And just as you can control the lights from anywhere you have a Wi-Fi connection, you can also check to see if your door is locked, and if it isn't, you can lock it. Very convenient. Here we're looking at the climate control. You see the main thermostat, and these are available for the Helix platform that you have purchased. Now you can adjust the thermostat for heat or cool. You can put the fan on auto or on. You can turn the temperature up or down. And you notice the state of the thermostat at this time is it's cool. It's on cool. The fan is on auto, and the temperature is 70 degrees. Looking at the lights again, you'll see that your lights are adjustable at a command from you. The light is showing that it's off. If you click on the off button, you turn the light on, and you can adjust the control of the brightness. Here we have turned the light on, and you can adjust it just by click and slide, and you can adjust the brightness up or down, and then you can turn it off if you'd like. Now that you are familiar with how the Z-Wave area of your system functions, You can activate your lights, plug-in lamp dimmers, appliance switches, smart thermostats, or garage door opener controllers, or any other Z-Wave devices that you may have purchased. Start with your Z-Wave lights, as they are the most common in the Snap Interactive security packages. We will go through the procedure step by step, and then it will be easier for you to do the remaining Z-Wave devices. Before you insert the Z-Wave light into its socket, make sure there is no power on the socket. Insert the Z-Wave light into the lamp socket and apply power. It should turn on. It should also be active on your system since it was added before shipment to you. Go to Home Control, Device Control, and see if your lamp is active. It should look like slide 9 and 10 above. If it does, then it is active and you should be able to turn it off and on and change the brightness. If you see your Z-Wave light when you go to Home Control, Device Control, but you cannot turn it off or on, and you have no control over the brightness of it, then follow the procedure on the next page. Click on Setup, and then you will see Tools. Then you need to click on Tools. When you click on Tools, this screen should appear. You need to click on Optimize Network. When you click on Optimize Network, the system will try to reset the Z-Wave devices. Please wait 30 to 45 seconds before you continue. Go back to Home Control, Device Control, and try to operate your light again. If it still does not operate properly, you will have to remove it from your system and add it back. This is not difficult and is explained step by step in the next training PowerPoint, Install Z-Wave Devices. If your Z-Wave light works properly, then continue activating your remaining Z-Wave devices. If you run into difficulty, you can then go to the next PowerPoint. And if you run into difficulty with your device, then you can also look at the technical manuals on that device. There is also another possibility. If you did not see your Z-Wave light listed when you went to Home Control and Device Control above, it means it is not part of your system and must be added. You'll have to add the device into your system as explained on the next training PowerPoint. So there are three possibilities as you start to activate your Z-Wave light. First possibility, you see your Z-Wave device on your system and you can operate it normal. Number two, you see your light but cannot operate it. You will have to remove it and add it back into your system. And number three, your Z-Wave light does not show up in your system at all. In that case, you just have to add it. And as I said, the next PowerPoint will show you how to do this, and it's very simple and step by step.